Y'all down here with Donnie Dude Bro, just duding out with my truck. I'm ashamed to say I spent a good 4.5 hours beating the absolute shit out of a bracket to get it in place. But it's in place. George, hang the banner! As you can see, next up on the docket is reattaching the starter. And then I got to reattach the exhaust Y pipe to the actual exhaust on the engine. Hi! And then we're up on this side here doing shit. Yeah, probably. I gotta go under the truck and attach the exhaust. Here we go. Here we fucking go! Oh, this is hopefully the last I have to be under this truck. It's getting pretty freaking annoying under here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I am honestly not sure how I'm gonna get the exhaust on there. So we're gonna use the bracket to try and get this son of a bitch where it needs to be. Come on, buddy. Oh, hey. Hey, that's almost no! It's almost no. That's right. I'm sorry, I'm not. Jesus Christ, everything's a bolt with me. Doot, 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 doot. Okay, that goes like that. And then we need to grab a washer. Oh, you son of a bitch. That was some fucking rust right in the mouth. That's cool. Tasty. Tastes like tetanus. Where's my ball? Good going. How do we do? Oh, look at that. Yep, you tell him, buddy. Or are you telling me that I'm not doing a very good job? Because I would believe that too. Should I be wearing eye protection? Yeah, probably. Am I? Not even close. Oh boy. I think we're gonna be okay. As I was saying, we're gonna be okay. I love working on vehicles with my T-Rex arms. It's so fun. Oh, I feel the carpal tunnel setting in. Oh boy. Okay, other side. Okay. Too far. I need to go this way. Hey, hey. Shaboozy. Ah, my eyeball. Ah, my eyeballs again. Ah, I should be wearing eye protection. Ah. With 3 bolts already still attached to the exhaust manifold. Because why not, I guess. Ah! Fuck! Ah! I need glasses. This is the worst day of my life. Oh, hey, all right. You're done there. Cool. Okay. Hey, you stop that. Cool. Get you guys back on the up top. I'm fucking out of here. Woo! It's always fucking something. So right here is where supposed to be a spigot that goes into the water pump from a return for the heater core. Got the spigot right here. Other side, the O-ring was completely rotted off, so now I have to go find a friggin' O-ring for this thing. Yay. We're officially done under the truck. Officially. So now we have to go in reverse order and attach the shit, you know, that we already took out of there. So mostly accessories. Okay, it's not mostly accessories. It's, you know, the shit that makes the truck do what it needs to do. Yeah, let's just get going. I don't know. Like, my brain is fucking off right now. It is not working. Come here, buddy. We're gonna put you all up in there. But before we do, let's make sure your power steering fluid button thing, Hauser. Wow, words. Why are words hard? Hoses get connected. All right. This time we're bolting down the AC compressor and we're finally getting the AC lines back, and you know, the Ethernet cable can go away, so that's good. Now we need to actually switch up our sockets. Well, just kidding. This still needs to be out, so we're gonna leave that there. I need a, looks like good enough for me. Yes, we will torque them to spec in a second. The vacuum hose around here somewhere. That is supposed to plug into the throttle body. Oh, where did you go? Hello? That's not it, is it? No. I still haven't quite figured out what the hell is going on there. And bye. Never a good sign. I need y'all to join me in a very momentous occasion. At least one momentous occasion. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Look at this big old metal coolie boy. We're going to throw him in there so good. But first, we're going to slap a big old spinny boy on him. Ooh, baby, we're getting there. Now, for all the shit I give these little green straps, it finally came in handy for like the first time out of the 700 times I've tried it. Trying to put in this cross member, and the holes just were not lining up. So, go figure. Attach strap here, pulled that bitch in real close, and lo and behold, cross member in. Cool. Kind of looks like a truck again. So I'm going to go ahead and put the oil filter in, transmission fluid, and unfortunately I have to wait until tomorrow to try and do the coolant because, yeah, it's a big messy piece of shit and I don't have the tools for it. So, boy howdy. Boy howdy? I don't say that. What's wrong with me? Nah, fuck that. We made ourselves our own tool. Is there anything duct tape can't do? Problem. Oil dipstick, no go back in where oil dipstick should. Big problem. Yeah, cool, awesome. Whoo! Crisis averted. Come to find out, it's just pressured into place. So put it back on there, screwed it down real good, and we should be okay. It's been a leak. You're doing so good. This was it. This was the last little bit we needed to do. We got a gallon in, no problem. Started to add gallon, no, I'm sorry, we got 2 gallons in of coolant and distilled water. And then we were working on the last bit, and then it just opened up underneath. And I don't know where it's leaking from. I have no freaking clue. I'm really hoping the water pump seal is just... Nope. Must be outside. I thought I heard something. You know, besides the leaking. Yeah, I don't know. We were steps away from the finish line, and then we got disqualified. Yep.